The biggest winners in the AI revolution will be people who know how to work with AI and build specific non-AI skills. Stay for a tip to stand out. First, use AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude to help busy people with tasks like writing, scheduling, or research. You can set up simple automations using Zapier and OpenAI to save time for small businesses. This is a quick way to start a side hustle and earn money by offering helpful services online. Recommendation number 2. Instead of just doing tasks, learn to manage and customize AI systems for others. Jobs like AI system manager or prompt engineer are growing, and you don't need a college degree to start. Try learning prompt writing on Prompt Hero Academy. And remember, the last tip will show you how to build trust that no AI can copy. And number 3, focus on skills that AI can't do well, like empathy, creative thinking, and leadership. These skills make you valuable in any team, even if most work is automated. Take online courses like Leading with Emotional Intelligence to boost your people skills while using AI for routine work. And now number 4, use AI tools to create and sell services like blog writing, logo design, or research reports. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and local businesses are always looking for help with these tasks. Try tools like Jasper.ai, Canva AI, or Perplexity to deliver fast, high-quality work and earn money online. Finally, build your personal brand while AI handles the background work. Use tools like Descript to make short videos. And remember, trust and your unique story are things no AI can replace. Share what you learn and how you help others on social media to attract clients and job offers. As a recap, here are 5 smart ways to make money with AI tools. If you learned something new, comment below. Make sure to click on this playlist to watch the rest of the YouTube series for more tips and tricks.